Celestina Area joins me now on the news at 7. Celestina, you have a trending video of an exclusive chat with Nnamdi Kanu earlier today in court. How did it go?
Okay, well, first about today, I must say that today's proceedings was unusual. It was not the regular proceedings we get to witness in respect to Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Nnamdi Kanu entered the court today. He was in high spirits. I had a conversation with him before the proceedings commenced and after the proceedings. I think it's better we listen to our conversation for context. How have you been, sir?
I've been well, thank you very much.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
We are still on your same outfits.
Yes.
What's the problem? Why?
They didn't give me any outfits.
They didn't give any outfits?
My right to fair hearing must be observed and understand that.
We were talking about your health condition. What exactly is wrong with you, sir, health-wise?
I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication, you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So that when they calculate that I'm about to give up, that my heart is about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you, has it not been working?
It's not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps? He's seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court.
You said house arrest.
Exactly. I don't mind house arrest because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the federal government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it.
Such an engaging conversations there, Celestina, with Mr. Kanu. So what were you able to gather from him? Are we likely to see him, put on a different attire when next he appears in court?
Well, hopefully, because Justice Binta said that the order for him to have a change of clothes has already been issued and given to the DSS. So there's no reason as to why he's coming to court on same outfits. You heard what he said, that the DSS did not provide him any change of clothes. But today, Mr. Kanu had so much to say to the court. He had the opportunity of airing his mind, as he wasn't very pleased with the court's decision to deny him bail, considering the fact that he has been in detention since 2021, and according to him, the treatment he receives from the DSS facility. But the court said that Mr. Kanu and his client and his lawyers to put all their grievances through the appropriate application, because Mr. Kanu opted for the court should send him to Kuje Correctional Facility so he can have proper engagement with his lawyers, but Justice Binta said she would not send him to Kuje. And he said, okay, the court should place him on house arrest. Then the court said that the court is a court of record and cannot do that. But about said that without holding brief from Mr. Kanu, from what we saw today, you could see that the man wasn't very happy, considering what he said, that his health is deteriorating, the DSS are not taking proper care for him, and being in custody over time, not getting to see his family, and happening to hear the issues happening in the southeastern part of the country, you would kind of sympathize with him and the situation he has found himself.
So what is the next step by his team? Because we know that his counsel, Nnamdi Kanu, mentioned, a call for the case to stand down, because they say they are unable to speak with their clients, and when they do, they are being monitored. Yes,
that was the case today, because after the court ruled on the bail application, the court immediately ordered a celebrated hearing and asked the prosecution to call its first witness, and the prosecution said they have 2 witnesses present in court and they are ready to proceed with the trial. But Nnamdi Kanu said he cannot go on with the trial. As a matter of fact, he stood up in court while in the dock addressing the court that he hasn't had time to speak with his lawyers. So how would he be able to tell them what transpired, all the allegations leveled against him by the federal government? How would he respond to them? Because he had alleged that the room they use in conducting their meetings, him and his clients, is bugged, that all the strategies they prepare, the DSS, before they leave the custody of the DSS gets to hear them. So they would not be able to properly prepare a defense. And now the bail has been denied. The counsel to Nnamdi Kanu is saying that he would appeal the decision of the Federal High Court to deny him bail, because the Supreme Court had said that the court ought not to have revoked the bail of Nnamdi Kanu when the court alleged that he jumped bail. According to Mr. Kanu, he was fleeing for his life, so he did not willingly or willfully jumped bail. But Justice Binta said that that particular aspect of the judgment was a contributory judgment of Justice Emmanuel Elgin. It wasn't the lead judgment. So she said that the court's bail is at the court's discretion, and she refused to grant Nnamdi Kanu's bail today.
All right, Celestina, thank you very much for that update and for all the good work you're doing. Our judiciary correspondent, Celestina Area, for us in Abuja.